I'm having a problem with my brand new Raspberry Pi 5 and the TenserFlow package for object detection. It's throwing this weird issue and I have no idea what to do with it. But first let's see how I got the issue in first place. Alright, so I'm here in the Raspberry Pi OS desktop version, and first off I'm having even problems with recording the screen. Because if I try with the VLC media player, opens up and convert save, okay, capture device, desktop, and let's set for 30 FPS, okay, convert save, and this should be it. Okay, so let's pick, okay, so let's pick a destination file. Okay, I already did one test, so we can do test 2. Alright, start. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some things in background here. Alright, let's stop it and have a look here. Videos, and it's here, test 2. Let's open it up and it's completely black. It actually shows test 2 on the bottom. Wait, yeah, I'm not an expert in Linux based devices. I think you can see that. Yeah, well, test 2. Yeah, so that's bad. And actually I think the same thing is for Kazam, or I don't know how it's pronounced, and also for local screen I can't even start it because it says that please Wayland desktop session is detected. Please install the package GStreamer plugin Pipewire. I actually installed it, but didn't work. I don't know. I mean, the installation was successful, but it still shows this window, and I don't know what to do with it. And so I tried to install OBS Studio, and basically I got this error saying that failed to initialize video, your GPU may not be supported, or your graphics drivers may need to be updated. And actually I updated all the Raspberry Pi, so I don't have anything left to update. So that's issue number 1, and let's go to the issue number 2. Okay, let's open up, and I'm just gonna type TenserFlow Lite, and what next? Object detection. Yeah, object detection. And yeah, I'm actually writing with one hand, that's why it's so slow. And Raspberry Pi. Object detection here. So this is the object detection, but for mobile edge. You need to go for other edge. Yeah. Yeah, other edge right here. And object detection, and it should take us here. But we also need the previous page. Okay, so first we need to install the TenserFlow Lite runtime. Yeah, another issue, externally managed environment. What was this? And now it should work. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's downloaded, and now I think we can go to the object detection GitHub page. Here we are. We're just gonna clone this project. Oh, oopsie. Okay, paste. You know, I feel very funny with how I'm recording this issue. I feel like my grandma. I just really don't know how else to do it. Okay, paste. Now we go to the folder, yeah, and sh setup, and this is where I got that problem. Okay, we paste it, and everything so far looks good, but then there's this one part where it just seems like it lags or just throws some issue and it stops or something like that. Yeah, I really have no words to describe it. Okay, and this is where I get all these problems. Installing build dependencies. It is here for like 1 minute. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. And then it just stops. Well, let's fast forward to that. Okay, and here we have the issue. And where is it? This originates from subprocess and is like no problem with pip. Subprocess is bizarre. Pip subprocess to install dependencies did not run successfully. This error originates from subprocess. Generally, okay. And I think it was something with numpy. Yeah, could not build the wheels for numpy, which is required to install PyProject DOM-based projects. But I think that I have numpy. Let's how do you check if I have numpy? Post it here, paste. And yeah, we've got the 1.24.2. I think it's not the most updated, the most current version. That's the 1.26, but it should still work with this one. And I actually tried many of other tutorials, but they basically crash the same way. Something with numpy and basically with that installation building tools or something like that was the last message before the errors. And I really don't know how to move from this. I even tried installing another Python version, but I just really couldn't get it working. And thanks to everybody who is still watching. And I would really know, and I would really like to know how to solve these issues. So if anyone knows, I would be very happy and very grateful if you would share it down with me in comments. Okay, so bye bye.